Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'm just going to be doing a hair review on this Ali Coco hair I got from Aliexpress. Now I know when people hear Aliexpress hair, their first thing to say is, oh, it's bad, or oh, why would you get it from there? I get it from there because it's in my price range. I get it from there because I've never had a problem with Aliexpress hair. I always choose different vendors. Never had a problem with any. The most I've had is like hair that sheds really like a lot, or the closures that after a while they start to get bald spots. But I mean, it's hair, it's human hair at that, and what am I gonna expect? I'm not gonna, if I wanted no shedding, I wouldn't get hair, because you know what, all hair is gonna shed. It's just some sheds more than others. Now a little bit about this hair. I did get 3 16-inch bundles and one 16-inch lace closure. Now normally I go a lot longer, like 22 inches. I was doing short because I got this for a wedding. So I ordered this on, honestly, let me tell you guys the exact date, September 16th, and I got it on the 20th. So September 16th to September 20th, so 4 days. That, which is, to me, that's amazing. That's like less than a week. As soon as I ordered it, me and the seller were contacting back and forth. Like, she sent me a whole list of what to do, what not to do, stuff like that with the hair. It's 100% human hair. It can be dyed, it can be bleached, it can be curled, it can be flat ironed, doesn't matter. It's 100% human. I got this in the color natural black. I couldn't get jet, like I wanted to get jet black, but I couldn't. There was no option for jet black, so I just ended up getting natural black, which is fine by me because I was gonna make it into a wig anyways, and it didn't matter. So yeah, I ended up getting natural black. When I first received it, there was no smell. It just smells like regular old bundles. To me, I never really get a smell with my bundles or anything like that, but it just had like the basic old smell. Like, yeah, it smelled nice, but there's not like, it didn't smell like cherries or strawberries, you know what I mean, or perfume. Just the regular old smell that you'd get along with bundles. Underneath I have my my cane rolls, so I just slip it off, moisturize my cane rolls, slip it on when I'm ready to go. It's that simple. Bada boom, bada bing. There's nothing bad to say about this hair. Like, I've been running my fingers through it and I haven't gotten, that's 2, I got 1 here. Yeah, and I got 1 here. Like, yeah, I'm gonna get like a 1-2 shedding every now and then, but for the most part, it's okay. There's nothing bad to say about it. It's the Ali Coco hair. What is it? Yeah, the Ali Coco Brazilian body wave hair. The pricing was amazing. Everything about this was just amazing. I had no problems. I had nothing, like nothing bad to say. For curling it or anything, does it hold curls? I don't know. I haven't really curled it. Or actually, no, I'm lying. I curled it once for the wedding that I was in, and yeah, it holds curls very well. I curled it like around 11 in the morning, and I went home at like 11 at night, and honestly and truly, the curls were there. Yeah, some of them dropped, but for the most part the curls were there. It was able to, I haven't flat ironed it yet though. That's what I haven't done. For the most part, it's just been like this in this body wave. And the only thing that I put in it, honestly and truly, is this Rusk thermal serum. And I only put this in it simply because I want to, you know, lay my hair flat, or I want to tie it down or whatever. I just simply put this in it, and it's alcohol free and it's a heat protectant, and it's very shiny. Because I put some in here and I was like, damn, I didn't want it to be that shiny. Have me shining in this video. I feel like when you make a new part, shake this up, put it in your hand. It lays the hair so flat, guys. Like, when I say so flat, it lays the hair so flat. So this, or not even just from the olive oil collection, just like any mousse, you know, they all do the same job. I feel like it just lays apart so flat. It looks so much more seamless. It looks amazing. Okay. Oh yeah, let me show you guys how it ended on me. So I got 16 inches. So this is where it is in its body wave form. And like I said, I haven't straightened it or anything. So this is where it is. My red wig on my channel, this is the same type of hair. Yeah, it's the same type of hair from the same company and everything, just in longer bundles. I believe that was like 20 or something inches, but it's the same exact hair, same exact company. And I never had any problem with the red hair. Even though I bleached the red wig, it was still beautiful. It smells great. It just performs great, trust me, okay? So all in all, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box down below, and if you guys want to go ahead and try it out, I highly recommend it, because there's no issues with me. Like, if you guys get issues with this company or have had issues with this company, let me know. But for the most part, I haven't had any issues with them, so I would give them 5 out of 5 stars. They're honestly gonna be my go-to, because out of my 6 or 7 years of ordering from Aliexpress in bundles, I have not found anything that I've been in love with so much. It's super soft. It's just amazing, okay? But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend, and I will see you guys in the next video, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.